Hello everyone. During this second wave of COVID pandemic, we are facing an acute oxygen shortage. The Honorable Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu is taking all the measures to increase the supply of oxygen. So in Trichy district, as per the guidelines of the district collector and the health authorities, certain tips were issued to optimize the oxygen usage, and accordingly we have implemented it in our center, Harshamitra COVID Center, and we have found a significant reduction in the oxygen demand. So I am sharing those tips with you. Number one, what we are doing is we are not aiming for oxygen saturation of more than 94. So we are maintaining at between 92 to 94. And secondly, we are using non-rebreathing masks, NRM masks wherever necessary.
We have three different oxygen devices generally we are using in COVID-19 ward. First one is nasal cannula, second one is simple oxygen mask, third one is non-rebreathing mask. They can deliver different FiO2 to the patient. FiO2 means fraction of oxygen inspired, which means what is the percentage of the oxygen patient is going to inspire when you are using these three different oxygen devices. So what we must know is the nasal cannula can only deliver 0.3 of FiO2, which means only 30% of the oxygen patient is going to inspire. Simple oxygen mask can deliver up to 50%. Up to 50% FiO2 it can deliver, it can generate. But this non-rebreathing mask can generate up to 90% of FiO2.
Hi friends, at our hospital Harshamitra Cancer Institute, we are treating COVID patients. We conserve the oxygen by following the proning position. We have appointed a dedicated nurse for proning itself, and the nurse's duty is to ensure and change the position of the patients every second hourly. And that by this we are making patients prone for more than 16 hours a day. That by this process we conserve the oxygen by nearly 50%. We can try, and everyone can try this.
And fourth point is we are using oxygen concentrators. Generally when we think of oxygen concentrator, we tend to think that it is for very low supplementation, especially at homes. But even in hospital setup, we are able to get the best out of oxygen concentrators.
Hi, I am Dr. Gunasegaran, consultant anesthesiologist in Harshamitra COVID Center. We are engaging one staff nurse to check all the flow meters. She will check the flow meters is being closed whenever the patient is going for restrooms and when the patient is taking food. And we are using oxygen concentrator to the patient who requires oxygen between 2 to 4 liters per minute.
So each concentrator gives around 5 liters. So we are using the oxygen concentrator for patients who require less than 5. But for those patients who require 5 liters, up to 10 liters, what we are doing is we are using two oxygen concentrators simultaneously. We are connecting them parallelly, and these two concentrators are we are able to self-generate oxygen and be self-sufficient. So before implementing all these steps, we used to use around 6 cylinders per day. Now we have optimized it, and now we are needing only 2 to 3 cylinders per day. So these tips are really very useful. So I hope this video is useful for all the COVID treating centers and COVID treating medical officers. Thank you.